Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to create and set up your free Agile CRM account for 2025. First, open your web browser and go to agilecrm.com. On the home page, click the green Sign Up Free button. You'll see a sign up form. Type your full name. Then, enter your work email address, create a strong password and enter it again. Click the Sign Up button. Next, you'll name your company. Type your company name in the box and click Save and Continue. Now, you're in your main dashboard. On the left side, click Contacts. Then, click the blue Create Contact button. Add a test contact by filling in a first name, last name, and email. Click Save to add your first contact to the CRM. Finally, set up a basic deal. Click Deals on the left menu, click New Deal, name the deal, set a value, and choose a stage. Click Save. And that's it, you've created your account, added a contact, and started your first deal pipeline. If this got you set up, please like and subscribe for more CRM guides. See you next time.